Hey! I want to see that kitchen set. I want to see that kitchen set. Awesome. Anytime. See you tonight. Good enough. I better not. I would hate to wait, I haven't given money to me. I have not had much connection with it, so I don't know.
They're spring loaded. This one moves really good, but this one's like.
He's going. Yeah. He's looking at those movies going. That's the same.
His dance.
Here we go.
You can't hit Sony's going
Yeah, on this phone. That's over here.
Somebody dug in somebody's house, so we would go from boat to boat.
Hey, handle with care. You guys okay? The boys are doing fine. They were clinging together. I got a little worried. Carmen, your front. You got the helicopter air search. If you want to get away from the door.
Get away from the door. Get away from the vehicle.
Come on. Come on, AC. Don't.
Victor! Poor thing! Hey! Come on, AC.
Be nice.
Ow!
Wow.
Vic, let me
Be
get the
nice.
gloves.
Hey.
Be nice,
okay?
AC.
You okay?
Get away from the door.
You got Victor.
Greg tried to pick her up and okay.
She didn't like it. Be nice.
We're having this okay. Put something on it when you're done. Victor, let me get a towel?
Oh, you know, that would be a good idea.
Yes. Thank you.
You get blood, Victor?
Oh, yeah. I mean, too.
Blood brothers.
Me. Oh, no, me.
Blood brothers. Ouch.
Come on.
You got me too.
Come on. Come
That was good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What an episode.
Look! Come on!
Blood.
Ow! Oh!
let me see.